Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 BMW i3. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you